How to use the Walmart Plus gas discount. First, you want to become a Walmart Plus member. If you're already a member, you will find participating gas stations. Walmart Plus members can get discounts at participating gas stations, including Walmart, Murphy USA, and Murphy Express stations. Exxon and Mobil stations, though the discounts may vary. You can find a list of the participating stations through the Walmart app under the Walmart Plus benefits section or on the website. Now, how can we get the discount at the pump? So we will just follow these steps. You will open up the Walmart app and go to the Walmart Plus member section. Then you will select fuel discount to display a QR code. You want to scan the QR code at the pump and then choose your payment method and begin fueling. At Exxon and Mobil stations, you will use the Walmart app to search for an Exxon or Mobil station that participates in the program. At the pump, you will select fuel savings in the Walmart Plus benefits section of the app and activate the discount through the app and follow the instructions to pay at the pump. Discount amount, you can save up to 10 cents per gallon at Walmart, Murphy USA, and Murphy Express stations. Discounts at Exxon and Mobil vary by location and may not be available in all areas. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.